Is the water pressure in your home too low or too high? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about how to determine if you have a problem and how to fix it right after this. Is keeping out the cold on your to-do list? With Duck Brand weatherization products, you can quickly and easily make your home more comfortable and efficient, saving you energy dollars along the way. Duck Brand's affordable product line includes a roll-on window kit that comes in different sizes and strengths, including standard and max strength. These kits create a weather-tight seal with no hassle and no measuring. That's my kind of DIY project. To learn more and find a retailer near you, visit duckbrand.com. Water coming into your home is measured in pounds per square inch and usually ranges from 35 to 100 psi. The happy medium is somewhere between 40 and 50 psi. When water pressure is very low, faucets may trickle and some appliances like water heaters and ice makers don't function properly. When it's very high, you might hear pipes bang, or in extreme cases, lines can burst and flood your home. The solution for these ills is a global valve which regulates water pressure and allows you to adjust them to acceptable levels. First, check the water pressure with a gauge that screws into an outside faucet. These are available at most hardware stores. If the pressure isn't acceptable, then it might be worth talking to a plumber about installing a global valve. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.